Today, we're busting some common myths about at-home insemination, like, is a turkey baster really used? Hi everyone, I'm Maureen Brown, CEO and co-founder of Mosie Baby, and I am so happy to dive in on this. Let's go. Myth number one, a long syringe is better. Many believe a longer syringe will be more effective, but that's not necessarily true. When we designed the Mosie syringe, we consulted with a fertility specialist who recommended a specific length. Initially, our syringe was longer, but our specialist advised us to shorten it. Why? Because if it's too long, it could bypass the cervix and aim at a vaginal wall, when what you want to reach is the cervical opening. Research shows that the cervix is only about 3 to 4 inches deep, and our syringe is designed to reach this depth perfectly. And with our syringe, it's okay to insert up to the handles, but not further, as per our instructions. Myth number two, you can't use frozen sperm for at-home insemination. Another myth is that frozen sperm isn't suitable for at-home insemination, when in fact, you can use frozen or fresh donor sperm or sperm collected from your partner with the Mosie Baby kit. Myth number three, at-home insemination is hard to do. Some think at-home insemination is complicated, but with the Mosie Baby kit, it's designed to be user-friendly and comfortable. Our FDA-cleared kit underwent rigorous testing to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible, making the process easier for you. Myth number four, a turkey baster is used for insemination. You might have heard that a turkey baster is the tool of choice for home insemination, aka the turkey baster method, as some people call it, but that is a misconception. While people historically have utilized turkey basters for insemination, many people today use a syringe specifically designed for insemination, like the patented Mosie syringe. It's designed to be gentle and precise, which is crucial for a smooth transfer of that special specimen you're working with. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We are rooting for you and happy to support you on your path to pregnancy. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.